welcome to my channel Chic the Style. So for this video I'm gonna discuss some trends, 2020 trends that you might know or you might not know. So let's educate you guys. So for the first trend, I'm going with this monochrome look, and monochrome look is one of my favorite trend. I think this trend has been in for like over a decade and it is gonna last forever. I mean, look at it. It makes everything so look, put together and chic and classy and all that good stuff. And you know why these long loungewears are very in right now? Because they are monochrome mostly. And I paired this look with these espadrilles. So next fashion trend is espadrille. As you have seen a lot of espadrille bridges, that's espadrille slippers in a lot of store. And for the next trend, we have loungewear sets. I mean, loungewear sets have been promoted by quarantine itself. Everyone knows that loungewear sets are very in right now. Right now, I'm wearing these jogger pants with this matching top, and yeah, that's it. It looks perfectly effortless, and I mean, it looks good even for a brunch, for running errands or lounging at home or anywhere. It is too comfortable to not wear, right? Sorry, I was just in that music zone. Actually, I was playing some music while recording. Next fashion trend I'm going to talk about is color blocking. I mean, color blocking is one of the put together fashion trend I have seen. Because it looks like you have put in a lot of effort, but it is also a lot of effort because you should know which color looks with which color. And here I'm wearing this orange neon, it was kinda neon orange t-shirt with this maroon pants and with these Oxford shoes, and looks very chic. And I mean, look at it, it is just a t-shirt with the wide leg pants and it still looks like I have put in a lot of effort. And the next trend is these leather pants. I mean, leather is so in right now, and it is actually really chic. And actually, I wanted these leather pants for like years now, and finally, I got it. My friends gifted it to me, and it looks wonderful. I can literally pair these leather pants with anything. I can dress it down, dress it up. You can do anything with these. So for the next fashion trend is matching your purse with the sandals. I don't really own any sandal in like crazy color which I can match with these purse and all that. But I have these strappy clear white, but it has white straps and these white purse. So I paired it with this to go along with the fashion trend, and yeah, it looks absolutely freaking amazing. I really love the matching sandals with your purse trend. It looks, I mean, if even if you're wearing anything not in that color scheme, you can bring in that color extra pop of color with your bag. And the next fashion trend is oversized. I mean, you are seeing literally everywhere all these models, supermodels are wearing these oversized jumpers and something oversized. Even people are nowadays wearing like oversized from top to bottom, and it is kind of look effortless street style look. Even if you are not going for that street style look, you can dress it up with adding a belt, or adding at least something structured in the bottom, or adding a corset belt, or even adding some corset top. Here I'm pairing with my oversized t-shirt with these stockings and Oxford shoes. And yeah, that's it. I actually tear that stockings while wearing it for the recording. And the next fashion trend is these puffy sleeves. Puffy sleeves literally dress your outfit up, and it looks very chic. I know I say the word chic a lot of time, but you know the gist. My channel name is Chic the Style. Okay, so it looks very chic and classy, and looks like you have put in a lot of efforts. I mean, puffy sleeves looks very expensive. I don't know, this is the word comes to my mouth when I see puffy sleeves. They are puffy sleeves in your top. They can be a puffy sleeve dress, bodycon dress, or a-line dress, or any kind of dress. And yeah, it looks especially good on lean body type because it gives them a lot of width to the shoulders and arms. For next fashion trend, I am wearing this slip dress. So slip dresses are so in right now. Literally every store has it, and especially in that satin fabric, it looks so rich and expensive and put together. Here I am wearing my slip dress with this belt because I wanted some structured, because it is not that according to my size, and I'm wearing these with these boots from Forever 21. This dress is from actually H&M. I bought it for New Year's and it was on sale, so I'm very happy about it. For the next trend is animal prints. I mean crazy animal prints. Literally people are wearing from top to bottom, even with their boots and purses, everything animal print. People are obsessed with animal print. Here I'm wearing this zebra. Next fashion trend is these, and for the next fashion trend is this vest trend. I mean it is a new edition, that is a fall edition. It's not that cold here, so I'm wearing not like vest. I'm wearing this crop top that looks like kind of vest, so I paired this with these white shirt and white leg pants and it looks classy and I love this outfit. And yeah, so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, give a thumbs up, comment down below if your favorite look, and see you next time. Bye.